Welcome to pCloudy, your continuous testing cloud solution. In this video, we will learn how to access the Android tunnel using the pCloudy desktop assistant. Before we go ahead, please ensure that you have the PDA application installed on your computer. If not, you can follow the link to the documentation page for the installation instructions and watch this video once the installation is complete. Now, before we launch the pCloudy desktop assistant on your computer, please keep the authentication details handy. These include your registered email address, access key, the cloud URL, and the ADB path. You can find the details of your access key on your profile. To view this information, you'll need to log into the platform and hover over the profile and click on Settings. You can then copy the access key and enter the details on the authentication page of the PDA. Once the authentication is successful, you will see three tabs on the PDA. Choose Android Tunnel. Here, you will see a list of available devices being populated. You can select the desired device or devices, set the duration, and click on the Start Device Tunnel button. Once the process is initialized, your devices will be booked and a notification will appear. Once the initialization is complete, you will see a success notification on the screen and will also be able to see that the device is listed under the Connected Devices section. You can then go to the Devices page on the platform and view the devices on the My Booking section. Click on the Cloud button to connect the device. Once the connection is established, you will need to allow the USB debugging option by clicking on the checkbox and then clicking on the Allow option on the screen of the device. Now you can push the ADB commands to the device from your terminal. Once you are ready to release the device, you can simply select Disconnect or Release on the PDA or the platform respectively. Additionally, you can add multiple clouds on the PDA. Simply click on the Add Cloud button in the Android Tunnel section. Enter the respective details, and click on the arrow button. Once the cloud is added, you can switch between the clouds using the Active Logins drop-down menu in the PDA. Once you have finished using the PDA, please ensure that your devices are disconnected before you close the application. For detailed instructions, you can access the documentation page by following the links mentioned in the description box.